Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about Python numbers. So numbers are data types in Python that you can use for numbers. So the two most important, the most common numbers, number data types in Python is int, and float. And here's the basic difference. So a equals 11. So int is basically an integer, while float is a number that has floating point number is a number that has decimal. So b equals 11.1. So you check the type. Check the type for b. So there you have it. You have an integer and a float. There are basic differences between them, but let's do some work with numbers. So you can use Python as a calculator. You can just do 2 plus 3, 5. There you can do subtraction. There, basic stuff. You can do division. So in Python 3, when you do this kind of division, it gives you the decimal value. But in other, like Python 2, this doesn't work. But now it has been resolved, I guess. But if you want a floor division, that is, you want it to give you just the first value, the significant figure, what you do is you use 2 slashes. So now you can see you only have 2 as your value. So another function you can have is the modulo. The modulo is the value left after division. That's the remainder value. So when you do 4 modulo 3 mean that 1, or let's say 4 modulo 2, that's supposed to be 0. So you want to do raised to power so you can say 6 raised to power 2, you have 36. So let's say you want to work something out. Maybe say the area of a triangle. So let's say you have your length and your area equals 9 times your area. So there you have it. That's the area of a rectangle. So you can quest your types to each other. So let's say I have a as 11. If I want to make it a float, I'll just float a. Although the value of a doesn't change, but I can assign it. So I say a equals float a. So when you get here now, it has changed. So when you check type of a, it's now float. So there are some advantages to using int or float depending on what you are doing. So you might want to use int or float. So these are the major things that comes with numbers. So this Python numbers. So thank you for watching this video. In the next video we have other tutorials for you, so you can subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon so that when a new video drops, you're going to get it for sure. See you in the next one.